Several new DSLR products were recently announced on coolcd.com. The small rig 1277 quick release base plate is compact in size and durable in quality. And for just a few dollars more, you can select their 1280 dovetail option, which incorporates a quick release plate shaped like the Manfrotto 501. This will allow you to attach the unit directly onto a Manfrotto 577 rapid release connector. Or if you own a Manfrotto monopod, ball head, or fluid head which incorporates this system, the small rig base plate will seamlessly attach and provide a rock-solid foundation for your rig. The 15mm rails are threaded on both ends, allowing you to extend the length if necessary. The rails are 12 inches long, more than enough length to install a follow focus and matte box. The wing nut handles ratchet for easy tightening, and you can rotate them to any final resting position. We especially like this release tab located on the back of the quick release plate, which allows you to quickly slide your camera out of the rig. And the anti-twist feature securely locks your camera in place. Another new piece of gear just released is the small rig 1290 DSLR Cage. The interior height is 130mm, or a little over 5 inches. The cage attaches to the front of the base plate with two recessed hex head bolts. It includes a number of 1/4 and 3/8 threaded holes for attaching accessories. The open design is unique compared to other cages, providing quick and easy access to your camera. And the top safety rail is compatible with quick release handles or traditional bolted versions. These are two well-designed, well-built pieces of gear. Check out their website for more information. That's it for now. We invite you to follow us on Twitter @HDSLRNow.